gbé fún hello Ashagi, how are you? Any question of the day?
Yes, sir.
Oh yeah, hit me.
Have you ever had any encounter with the police?
Police? They know about their way. Oh no, they know. Police ọlọ́pàá. Wait, you don't even know my portal for this area. Police go put me for counter. And then you can't. Whoa, now that day the elephant where the police logo. Now that they go turn to war gecko or no.
Brashagi, that's not what I said.
So what do you now said?
Okay, I mean, have you ever been harassed by the police?
Okay, harass. For talking that one, okay. Like harass, compassion. Nigeria's gonna be.
Jesus Christ.
Sallallahu alaihi wasallam.
Okay, let me put it this way. Have you ever been confronted by the Nigerian police before?
I know say everybody go see know this matter. Na social media, everything don spread. So everybody wey dey for social media now don know say police catch comfort. Na that amount go kill her. That amount wey dey run ta like ball wey someone olubi. She no go ever put her mouth down. She go dey put mouth for another person matter like person wey dey write neko. Na that one e good na. So everybody now don know say police don carry comfort abi.
Brashagi, I didn't say comfort. I said confronted.
Comfort that. That's her full name. Her full name na Comfort Oluwatedi. Oh yeah. Hey! That comforted now where they talk. That's a AKA.
Brashagi, to be honest, I am worried for you.
And you are welcome now. Because when you both say what? A worried specimen is a ambulance accidental discharge. Yeah. Thank you.